Today we're going to put the flatlock stitch to good use using the Bernina L890 serger. This technique is designed to mimic the look of a blanket stitch, a stitch that is time intensive and usually created by hand. But this time we're going to do it on the serger. Welcome to Bernina Serger School. Hi there, Jaime David, educator and serger specialist with Bernina, is here with me today, and she's going to show us exactly how to put that blanket stitch to good use. Hi, Jaime.
Hi, Amanda.
Now, the L890 has a pre-programmed blanket stitch, is that right?
Yes, and basically this blanket stitch is a flat lock, but you are going to use a stabilizer to pull that thread to the edge of the textile.
Got it. It sounds like that would be a really nice treatment for a baby blanket.
Yes, this is the perfect way to use this stitch. Should we check it out?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Select the blanket stitch on your machine. On the L890, this is stitch number 28. Notice the stitch view on the machine shows you how the finished stitch will look. This is a 2-thread stitch, so we'll use the upper looper converter, which is built in. This closes off the upper looper, and only the lower looper and the needle are creating the stitch. Place the stabilizer on top of the fabric. Stitch along the fabric edge. Pull the stabilizer away from the cork fabric, bringing the stitch to the fabric edge. Tear away the stabilizer. This technique works well on cork, flannel, and a variety of other fabrics. Okay, that kind of feels like cheating, and I kind of love it.
Yeah, this stitch is perfect for baby blankets and toweling, but it also makes a really great couture look on a jacket edge.
That's such a great idea. Jaime, thank you so much for sharing all your helpful tips today, and we hope you enjoyed this edition of Bernina Serger School.